In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Jotform HTML embed code. It's a straightforward process, but getting the steps right is crucial to ensure your form integrates seamlessly into your web page. First, we'll start by logging into your Jotform account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, head over to My Forms from the dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all the forms you've created. Look through these to find the form you wish to embed on your website. If you need to make any last-minute tweaks or updates, simply click Edit Form before proceeding. After selecting and editing your desired form, the next step is to access the embed code. This is essential for integrating the form into your site. From the Form Builder interface, which is intuitive and easy to navigate, you'll notice a Publish option at the top. Click on this and then look to the left-hand menu for Embed. This section provides you with different embed options designed to meet various needs. Among these options, you'll see the Jotform embed, which offers the default iframe code. This is commonly used due to its straightforward integration process. If you're someone who likes more control over styling and scripting, you might consider opting for the full source code, which provides the complete HTML structure of the form. For those looking to integrate the form in a unique way, options like pop-up, lightbox, or script embed are available and might be exactly what you're looking for. Once you've decided on the embed method that best suits your needs, the next thing you'll want to do is copy the HTML code. There's a copy code button conveniently located next to each embed option. Click this button and the code will be copied directly to your clipboard, ready for use. The final step in this process is straightforward. Simply paste the code you've copied into the HTML section of your website where you want the form to appear. Whether it's a contact page, a sign-up section, or anywhere else on your site, pasting this code is all it takes to embed your Jotform. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now easily embed any form onto your website using Jotform's versatile and powerful tools. Whether you're new to web development or looking for a reliable form integration method, Jotform provides a user-friendly experience that's both efficient and adaptable to your needs. Thank you for watching.